see how it's going. How do you differentiate?
Yeah, now when Mary asked me whether there are any disputes that can be handled in class, I almost told her it's one for everything.
Let me start with our mode of training. We have three modes of training. We have instructor-led, that means that you can come to our center, or we can come to your center, or we can agree on a place. I've mentioned Dubai as one of the areas that we can come and send our trainer, or we have trainers there that can train you. We have virtual training where you can attend virtually on a platform that is agreeable between us and the client. So far, based on the program, each and every program has a duration. There are those that go for 1 day, there are those that go for 3 days, and those basically go for 5 days. And whenever the account manager shares with you the course outline, it basically tells you what are the prerequisites in terms of who qualifies for it, what are the durations so far in terms of training, and what are the certifications that
making use of it as an organization for purposes of realizing your objectives, for purposes of meeting your targets, and for purposes of making yourself be better. A program by the name of data science introduces you to that particular environment. And these are some of the things.
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Washington from CLC. And as a rejoinder to Juliet's question, or maybe as a suggestion, there are organizations that have access to online platforms that have these courses. So if your staff take the online program and now they need the exam, what's the requirement for them to do the exam for the certification? Number one. Number two, do the discounts also apply for the group on the exam certification? And then
hold it, because you asked a very exciting question. Don't kill my excitement. All right, so again, I said it's important. You have your Udemy's, your Khan Academies, and everybody else. If they are not accredited by Peoplecert, I would say caution. Because what happens is we always bundle training with exam by default. So if someone is offering you training only, you are actually going to pay 10 times more. Because when you come to us, we're going to give you the training anyway. So look, it's a conundrum, because organizations will look at that as a cheaper option, but you need to then check with your team. Are they accredited by the vendor? If they probably aggregate, they will load everybody else's training, but are they officially accredited by that particular vendor or OEM? If not, then you have
from Kenya Limited. So grateful to be here today at Radisson Blu, attending an event hosted by Peoplecert and Computer Learning Center. I'm really excited about the opportunities we've had in terms of certifications available. Really interested and keen on the certifications. Yes. So I'm really excited. We learned a lot, and actually encouraged to just try and look out for what you can start, both at an individual level and a company level. Yes.
Perfect. Thank you.
We learned more about AKL, and I think I will look into doing the service desk analytics.
Today we are attending class events at Radisson Blu, and personally I work as a service desk, so I've learned a lot, but I'm in ITL, and I'm looking forward to the certification.